Welcome back, everybody, to the Ranger 363V series. And as you can see, this is not going to be a normal video due to the snowstorm that we got in Houston, Texas. It was 17 degrees, and my son did not like it just as much as everybody else didn't like it. So what I did was I put a montage together of all the clips of the series so far, and we're just going to kind of talk about where the project is going and answer a question that I got that I thought was pretty interesting. So all that's left to do on the trailer is I need to carpet the bunks, put the bunks back on, and basically the trailer is like 95% done. After that, I'm going to wax and buff the bottom of the boat and then maybe put a keel guard on. And then the boat can go back on the trailer, and we're going to start working on all the guts and electrical of the boat. So a question that I got was like, I don't know where to start with my project, and I think the essential question you have to ask yourself is like, what is the purpose of the project? This project for me was first a learning experience. I wanted to dive deeper into how these boats are made and how to fix all this stuff, because I find this very interesting. So that was part one. Part two was that I would like to flip boats. I think that there's a market for high quality used boats where you can get a good boat out on the water and not pay retail for a new boat. So that was the two purposes. So that makes me do things that I wouldn't do if I was keeping the boat. If I was keeping the boat, I would put a new trolling motor on it. I'd put 5 graphs or whatever, just make it mine. But since I'm selling it, I have to keep in mind like the end user. What is the end user going to want to pay for? So that's the most important question I think that people need to answer is like, what is the purpose of this boat? And then after that, it's just getting started. I made a list of things that I wanted to do, and that list is constantly evolving and changing because I had so many ideas and dreams for this boat that just aren't realistic. So, as I go through the project, that list keeps getting updated, and I keep a log of what I'm doing so that I know that at the end this is how many hours I put into it or whatever if you're going to sell it. So my thing is that if this is something that you're really interested in doing, don't be afraid. I'm not the best with power tools, as some of you have pointed out, and I'm not the best at painting or anything. I'm just learning as I'm going, and I'm having a great time doing it. So guys, hopefully by next week I can get a video out, and thanks for watching. If you like the video, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next week. See you later.